Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm your clever money girl, and today I will show you how to earn $300 in just 10 minutes just by using an app. I'll do all the effort for you today by introducing you to the website. Therefore, if you want to learn how to start making money online, be sure to watch all the way through because I'll walk you through the process step by step. Now that has been said, let's go straight to it. Guys, this affiliate marketing method is different from the others in great portion because you are not even required to post your affiliate link anywhere. The tool that I'll be showing you does everything for you, and I'll show you step by step how to set it up for yourself. Before I go ahead and show you the tool though, let me first disclose the website that actually paid me in affiliate commissions. You won't have to spam your LinkedIn in YouTube comments, create any videos, go to various Facebook groups, use Twitter, or anything else like that. This website, jvzoo.com, is comparable to affiliate websites like ClickBank, Digistore24, and others. It stands out from the competition though because it offers a variety of things related to making money online, cooking, and other topics rather than just physical and digital goods. The fact that this site offers so many different payment options is another fantastic feature that I know any of you will love. PayPal is undoubtedly the most well-known option, but it isn't available everywhere, so there are other options for those of you who may reside in various Asian or African nations. Now that I've said that, guys, you can read more about this website, what it is, and so on and so forth. But I won't go into that. What you need to do when you first visit this website is to create a new account, which you can do by clicking on the Start for Free in the upper right corner of this page. After that, you must register by providing your contact information, confirm that the email address you provided is yours, and then select a method of payment. This is what you'll see when you log into your brand new account. On your dashboard, you can see information about your earnings, including the number of visitors, sales, the gross income, and your earnings. Then you will need to click on Locate Products. This will take you to a page where you can browse through various products to advertise as an affiliate and obtain the links. This will now take you directly to this page, where you will see thousands upon thousands of different offers that you can market as an affiliate. For those of you who are unfamiliar with affiliate marketing, a conversion rate refers to the percentage of people who purchase the product after visiting the sales page. For instance, a conversion rate of 5% indicates that 5 out of every 100 people visited the sales page and purchased the product. You can see the launch date of the products, how many of them were sold, and combed here, which stands for the conversion rate. Are you still with me? If you do, that's awesome. If you want to improve your financial outlook, don't forget to subscribe to your Clever Money Girl. I post videos daily to help you get financially smart. And while you're at it, don't forget to click the like button and the bell icon to be notified whenever I post a new video. The second item you may see is EPC, or earnings per click, which represents the typical sum of money made each time a person clicks on one of the affiliate links pointing to the relevant product. One of the most important items on the list is the refund rate. You want to be less than 10% because obviously promoting a product that people aren't satisfied with isn't good for you and won't make you a lot of money. The number of products sold is quite important because you can tell it's a good product without even looking at the other stats. And more importantly, people will be more willing to buy a product that has sold so many copies. Other factors to consider include the conversion rate, refund rate, and the average price. Additionally, you want the average price to be somewhere in the range of $40 or $50. The conversion rate to be generally higher than 10%, and the refund rate, as I mentioned, to be lower than 5%. The product's launch date is another factor that is crucial. So avoid promoting products that are too old and look for newer ones instead. Anyway, if you click on the category link here, you'll be able to see all the different product categories that JV Zoo offers. As I've already mentioned, there are a lot more of them than on other sites that are similar, which is something I really love about it. There are literally too many of them here for me to list them all, so choose the category that most interests you. I'll pick the category for business and finance for the purposes of this video. Now that you've chosen your category, you could choose one product. And like I said, you should make sure it has decent metrics before pursuing it and snagging the affiliate link. Here is a product I found that perfectly satisfies my criteria. When you find a product you like, you should open it up so you can see the commission, which in this case is 50%, and that is really good. You can also see the price here. And if you want, you can even view the product sales page by clicking directly here. In any case, after selecting your product, you must request approval in order to receive the affiliate link. When requesting approval, you can include information such as, I have experience in affiliate marketing, I understand how to promote products in this specific niche, and I will be able to drive traffic to your page, and so forth. After typing this information in, you must click the I am not a robot button. Check the box and then click Request Approval. Currently, you have a variety of options at your disposal for product promotion, with social media being among the most effective and widely used. For instance, you could visit various Facebook groups. Since my area of expertise is making money online, I specifically look for groups related to that. As far as social media goes, guys, Facebook groups are generally not a bad idea because they typically have thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of members, making it possible for you to get some clicks to your link that way. Instagram and Twitter are your next two alternatives. You may set up an Instagram page related to your specialty and add your affiliate link to it. Or you can try utilizing Twitter to search for people looking to make money online. And right now, you must keep in mind that these tactics do work, but they are not the finest ones in my opinion. Guys, using the tool I suggested at the outset of this lesson is by far the best way to go about doing this. Now, this software will instantly increase traffic to any affiliate link without any effort on your part. You input terms relevant to your niche into the software, which then automatically creates a viral video for you. You then add the affiliate link to which you want all of the traffic to be sent, and then all you have to do is sit back and let the software handle the rest. As you can see, this is a brand new app that puts up your links in front of up to 1 billion visitors for unlimited free traffic in 60 seconds, even if you're a newbie with zero experience. This means that you can make money in affiliate marketing even if you have no prior experience and it requires no work on your part. If you are interested in affiliate marketing and creating a passive income stream, this is likely the best platform you can utilize. Do you have comments for our tutorial for today? Please share them in the comments section below. Also, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please subscribe to the channel so you can see all of the videos we will be releasing in the coming days, weeks, and months. And that's it for our video for today. If you learned anything new, please leave us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Get financially smart with your Clever Money Girl. See ya!